Have you ever wondered how leading investment firms manage their portfolios? To stay ahead in the competitive world of finance, they use sophisticated models to analyze and select investments. One such firm, a leader in the United States, encountered a challenge. They had an existing Python model for analyzing sector-specific stock ETFs, but it needed an update. The selection criteria required an adjustment, and a new screening criterion was needed to exclude certain holdings based on performance. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Enter the 2-in-4 fundamental model. This ingenious model screens a fundamental ranking of stock market sectors, selecting the top-ranked holding and maintaining that sector as long as it remains in the top 4 rankings. The model holds 2 positions at a time, and the sector ranking data is conveniently housed in the WCM5 XLXS file. But there's more. The model also uses data from the prices CSV file to generate monthly returns. The client runs the program using the 2_in_4_new PWA, which provides the current rankings for both the fundamental and technical sectors. Now, sometimes a sector might appear fundamentally attractive because it has become cheaper due to industry-wide issues. To combat this, the new model introduces a screening process based on performance over a specified look-back period. This allows the model to exclude sectors with the weakest performance, providing a more accurate and optimized selection of holdings. The updated Python script uses tools such as NumPy, Pandas, ITA tools, combinations, and permutations to filter and return technical and financial holdings. A price filter has been added to analyze prices over a certain look-back period. So, what's the result? The client can now select up to 5 financial and technical holdings, with the added benefit of more accurate selections due to the new price filter. This has resulted in an increase in profit for the client, thanks to the more optimized functional filters. In summary, the updated Python model provides a more sophisticated and accurate method for selecting and maintaining investment holdings. By accounting for performance over a specified look-back period, the model can avoid sectors with weak performance and focus on those with strong potential. This has led to more profitable investment decisions, putting the client at the forefront of the competitive finance industry. This solution was designed and developed by the Blackcoffer Team, a global IT consulting firm. If you have any queries or require further information, feel free to reach out to us at aj@blackcoffer.com. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.